Hey guys, today we'll be twisting up the simple humble Maggi a little bit. We are going to make a lasagna out of it. Yes, do not get shocked, that is what we are going to do today. We are going to convert this simple 2 packets of Maggi into something utterly delicious. So to know how to make it, make sure to watch this video till the end. So first of all, for this recipe, we'll make the white sauce. For that, take 1 tablespoon of butter, heat it up and then add 1 tablespoon of maida or all-purpose flour to it. Now cook it for about 30 seconds to 40 seconds at low-medium flame. Once that's done, now we will add 1 cup of milk, that is about 180 to 200 ml of milk into this. Now add the milk slowly and keep on stirring continuously. At this point of time, increase your gas flame to a medium. Make sure that you are stirring it continuously or your white sauce will be lumpy and we do not want that. The milk that you use over here should be at room temperature and not too chilled. Keep stirring it till it is of your desired consistency. Then to that add salt to taste and 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper and keep it aside. Now we will prepare the Maggi. For that, in a pan, take 1 teaspoon oil and 1 teaspoon butter. To that add 1 to 1.5 teaspoon of grated garlic. Cook till your garlic or about 10 to 15 seconds and then add 3 to 4 tablespoons of tomato puree into it. Now you can use store-bought tomato puree or you can make it like I have made it over here. For this puree, I have took 2 medium-sized tomato, put a little cut into it and boil it into boiling water for about 2 minutes. Then peel off and grind it and strain it and you have your tomato puree ready. Now cook this tomato puree for about a couple of minutes at medium flame. After that, add vegetables of your choice into it. I have added capsicum and sweet corn. Now mix it all well and let it cook for about couple of minutes. Then add salt to taste and a bit of black pepper powder to it. Mix and let it cook. After all your tomato has reduced and is properly cooked, now we will add the taste maker. I am using both the packets taste maker into it. About 1 teaspoon of Italian mixed herbs and half a teaspoon of chili flakes into it. Then add about 1 to 1.5 cup of water to this mix. The Maggi that we will prepare should not be too soggy or overcooked. So make sure you do not overcook your Maggi and add too much water into it, as we do not want any water content in our prepared Maggi. Now cook your Maggi till it is of the desired consistency, or you can call it the desired cook. Took me about just a couple of minutes to reach this stage. Here my Maggi is completely cooked but not overcooked. Now to this add 2 to 3 teaspoon of tomato ketchup and 1 teaspoon of red chili sauce into it. Mix it up all well. Now let's assemble our lasagna. For that, in a kadhai, add salt to the bottom, stand in the middle and let it preheat for 10 minutes at medium-high flame. Then in a 5 to 5 inch square tin, add half the Maggi and spread it with the help of fork. Do not overpress it, we just need it to have a leveled surface, that is it. Now add half the white sauce and spread it evenly. What the white sauce does is stops the Maggi to be extremely dry, as Maggi tends to be. Now use half the cube of processed cheese. Again repeat the whole process, that is add rest of your Maggi, spread it evenly, add the rest of your white sauce, again spread it evenly and top it up with the rest of your processed cheese. I have arranged the cheese slices in such a way that it covers the top completely. Now sprinkle some chili flakes on the top just for a little look. After this is done, now bake it in your kadhai for about 10 to 12 minutes. The only thing that I did over here was after 5 to 6 minutes I poked the top with the help of a fork, because as in a kadhai your cheese doesn't get that properly cooked, so it helps gets that look to it. As you can see guys, it is so yummy, and remember to serve it instantly as it will not be good cold. So guys, if you like this video, do not forget to like it, subscribe to my channel and comment down below. Thank you for watching.